If you're a tech leader starting your job search today, well then here are 3 things you should do before you even touch your resume. Number 1, define your niche. This means look at all of the business problems that IT could solve. Then from there, see what kind of problems you have been solving and for what kind of businesses. And from there, define your narrow expertise. That way you are standing out among a category of few. For example, I am an enterprise applications leader supporting finance, supply chain, and merchandising for large retail companies focusing on Oracle suite of applications. Now this is specific, this is narrow. Saying I'm a technology leader, that is super broad, so that does not work. Now from there, check if jobs are available that actually match your expertise. How many of them are available? What are they demanding in experience? And then think, would you be a top candidate for the role? And this goes beyond matching just the minimum requirements. You got to read between the lines and think, if the hiring manager had a choice among thousands of candidates, would they still be interested in me? Or can they find a better candidate than me for this role? If they would still be interested in you, and if you have arrived at the right role, well then once you have found a role like that, reverse engineer those kind of roles to deduce what part of your more than 2 decades of experience would the hiring manager be most interested in seeing. What are some of the repeating patterns for these kind of roles that they call out? And then start building their resume. Many job seekers jump straight to building resumes, skipping these important steps, and thus their resumes end up being documents about what they want to show, not what the hiring manager wants to see. And then with that resumes, they shoot for arbitrary roles in the market, and they apply and then they don't get any interviews. Do not make that mistake.